Good morning teachers, and this video we discuss about the Google Sites. The Google Sites is basically for everyone to be able to create simple website, and the procedure is that after making it you share it with other people through a link. So a small link will come out. You can convert your website in a small link, and you can share this small link with the help of the WhatsApp or email with the other people to whom you want to explain about yourself or about your school or about your event. So when the site word come in the mind, we think about something related to the HTML or the coding, decoding, and very technical things. But no, this Google site is people those are non-technical, as like you and me. You as a teacher, accept this computer or the IT teacher. If you are science teacher, math teacher, Hindi, SS, Sanskrit teacher, or me as a management teacher. So we non-technical people can make this site within 10 minutes. So no need to go for the option of the HTML or the coding or the technical process, where it's very simple. What is the purpose to prepare this? This Google site is basically, there are two relevant options relevant to we teachers. The one is the portfolio and the second is the event. The portfolio is used to enhance or you promote, if you want to promote yourself as a tutor or as a supervisor or as a teacher. So you can go for the option of the portfolio. And if you want to promote your event, when suppose you as a convener or coordinator, you are going to organize any FDP, teachers training program, seminar, webinar, conference, international conference. So you can make one Google site related to your event, and you convert your site into a small link, and you share this link with the concerned people. And during the time of admission, you also can prepare it to promote about your school. As this is the pandemic time and we all people are connected with our students through the email, through the WhatsApp group, we all makes the group class wise or the section wise, and every day morning we are we are sending homework in the form of the PDF or the videos. And I am sure after watching this after attending this 10 days teachers training program, no need to send only the PDF file. Now you people will be able to send your videos also, the good quality videos, and you can use Edmodo's type of software also. So now we started how to work out on it. Let us go. You open this page, as you can see on your screen. What we have to type, Google Sites, and we click. So this is Google site, sign in sites.google.com. So the options, these are the templates, the blank. If you want to start from the beginning, you can select this blank option. If you want to as we discussed that you want to make a Google site related to your upcoming event, you want to organize any FDP or the teachers training program, so you go with this option. If you want to create your own portfolio with the help of this Google site, you select this one. We discuss about this portfolio in the next video. I share with all of you, because this portfolio and event, they are directly related to all of you, either you school teacher or the college teacher or the university professor. Restaurant and help center are also, and templates are also here, but I think they are not directly related to us. But the procedure to work out on this one is the same. So if we discussed on about the portfolio and the event, so we will able to work on this restaurant, help center, or some other options also, some other templates also. So the procedure is same. So let us discuss. I just would like to see you this one. This is the for the demo purpose. I prepared it before making this video. So this is one of my page, Google site. I prepared it, and this is about my event, that 10 days teachers training program, 10 to 19 July 2020, the organized by the Wellness Gurukul Academy Private Limited. And I mentioned the 10 days teachers training program on online teaching tools, the apps and the software. Day 1, we can insert our program schedule, as I send you this program schedule on the Telegram, the day 1 to day 10, what we, what is our program schedule. So you can do that. So this is page, a caption about what events attendees can expect. So you can insert here the theme of your program. You can insert the speakers, the name of the speakers with the photographs. So suppose this one, you upload any photo at here. Suppose I insert one of my photo, so it come out the name of the resource person and some words about the resource person. You can insert the venue of your program. You can insert the map also. So lot of options are there. Let us start with the beginning, how to create this page. So let us go. So next is, you can insert your date, you can insert your event name. The procedure is this one, the FDP, the venue of the program, change image. If you would like to change the image, either you upload it or you select one. If any image is already in your computer and you want to insert that image, so you select this option button, otherwise you go on the select image. A lot of options are here, so you select any one. Suppose we select this one, we select it. Adjusting for readability, just wait. So now it's ready. So you can select as per your choice any one out of this one. And if suppose you don't want any of the content, suppose I don't want this box is not relevant to my program, so you have to go on this box and you click on this delete button, this one. Remember one thing, when you click on any content, suppose I click on this one, this small box will open out. What is that? This is something about the heading, or the text, the type of content, the type of your content, normal text, the title, the heading, the subheading, or small. So it's up to you which one you select. If you want to bold your content, you click on this B. If you want to make your content italic, in italic form, you can click on this I. This is for the alignment purpose. This is for the link. If you would like to insert any link, you can click on this one, and if you don't want it, you again go on this delete option and you can delete it. So many of boxes will be here that those will be not as per your requirement, they will not match with your requirement. So in that case, you can go on delete button and you delete them. So let us discuss about these 4 options and these 3 options, and after that we go for the preview button, preview of this website, and we publish it. So let us start this insert button. The first is the text box. So if you want to this small box at here, you want to write something below this main main picture, so you can go on this text box and you click. So you can write anything at here, it's up to you. You can insert any image, you can insert something. If you would like to insert something from the drive, Google Drive, you can go for the embedded. If suppose you would like to insert this one, so you want to insert 2 of your videos, YouTube videos, so you can do that. You can select this one You can insert video and you can write something about this video. If you want 4, then you click on this one. This option is also here. Table of content. If you select this table of content, no need to go for the visitor, no need to go on the, down and down. Everything will be available on the front, on the top of this site, in the form of the table of contents. So you can use this button. Suppose you can you can insert your address at here, and your address you want to make a hyperlink of your address. So you click this button and you make a small red color button and you write address on that, and you can convert it into the hyperlink. When somebody click on your address red button, your address will open out. So that option is also here. You can divider you can use. This is the divider. So between this content and the next content, if you want any divider, you can use this one. Placeholder, you want YouTube option is here. If you want to insert any YouTube URL of the YouTube, if you want to insert any calendar, program calendar, you can insert map address. This is related to your address. You can insert the Google Docs as per the requirement, slides, sheets, and the Google Forms. If you want to insert Google Form, you click on this button. It will search Google Form from your Google Drive. This is one of my Google Form, this one teachers training. So I can insert it here. All Google Forms will open out. Those are already saved on my this particular email ID. So the same you can prepare the chart also. So a lot of options are there in this category, insert category. The next is the pages. Home, schedule, speaker and venue. Home, schedule, speaker and venue. If you would like to insert more page, you can click on this one. If you want 5th one, you can click on this one, and if you want to delete anyone, you can go on this and you can delete it. So it's up to you, as per your requirement you can do that. There are two options. Either you select only this, you just keep only this home page, and you include everything on this home page. First your program, the date, the venue, then later on the below the schedule of your program, then who is the speaker. This is the schedule of the program is available at here. You can go for the speaker option, the speakers, and the venue of the program. You can go for the venue also. This is the venue. You can write the address where this program will be. So, and the second option, either you do all the task on one page, on this single page, or the second option is you divide your this complete website into 4 parts or 5 parts, but let us talk about these 4 parts. So on home page, you just write down the name of your FDP, the venue, and the date to date. Then you go on the schedule. This is the program schedule. As schedule, I send you schedule of 10 days teachers training program. So you can write the schedule at here, the date, the registration. This is minutes of your program. At what time the speaker will start it, at that time, tea schedule, the lunch schedule, the inaugural session, the wind up session. So all you can insert at here. So this is option for you as a convener, as a program coordinator. The themes, and you can select any theme, any of the theme. This is the home page suppose, and I select this impression. This is content, and below the content there is a red line. So I click on this one. I can select any of the color. This is the red color, so everything will come in with the red background. This is the option, so you can select anyone. So we already discussed the home, schedule, speaker, venue, insert pages, and the theme. This is for the undo, the last one, and this is for the next one. And this one is the preview. Before publish it, if you would like to see it as a visitor, so you can do that. This is the link. Cannot copy link for unpublished site. Means first of all you have to publish it, and only then the link will be able to generate. So let us go on this publish button. This is Amit Naru for Amit dash Naru 4. So this is, and you click on this publish button. So this is the address of my Google sites. Your site has been published successfully. Now click on this published site link, https://google.com/view/amit-naru4/home and the copied link. Once you copied it, you can share it with anybody through the email or WhatsApp. The another side people, when they click on this one, your detail will open out, detail of your program, your teachers training program or the FDP or whatever. So you can make it and you can convert it into a small link, and this is the preview. So I pressed on this preview. So when the another side, the visitor click on the on your link, so this page just open out. This is the preview. So I just tell you, I already told you that there are two options. Either you include everything on one home page, or you can divide your complete Google site on 4 parts, and you can insert as per the heading. You can insert the heading also. There are 4. You can add any 5th one or the 6th one, or you can reduce. You can keep only 2, home and the schedule. So it's up to you, as per your requirement you can do that. And after completing this, you have to publish it, and after publish you can you go on the link option and you can share it with anybody. So now I advise you as a teacher that once you after go through these videos, I request you that once you prepared it, either you prepared your self portfolio, or when the conditions will be normal, when the school college will open out, and in future if you go to organize any FDP or the teachers program, at that time you please use it. You insert your program at here, or during the admission time in the next session. Hopefully next session will be normal, so at that time you go for your admission related material. You insert at here and you share with the students or your target clients at that time. So this is all about from my end about this Google Sites. Thank you.